ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು, ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು, ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಕೊಡುವುದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಕೈಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಓಡಿ ಹೋದನು, ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು, ಕಾಣದಂತೆ ಮಾಯವಾದನು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವ ಕೈಲಾಸ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡನು.
At a young age, we are all advised to follow our passion. However, as we hustle through life, most of the time our passion is forgotten and left behind. Have you heard about this quote that says, "Follow your passion and not your pension"? Well, this Bengaluru-based postman has paved his way to find both.
Whenever I go for these shows, they ask me for some certain requests, and out of those requests, this is a very famous track, so they always say play the song. Whoa, whoa, yeah, I love you more than I can say. I'll love you twice as much as tomorrow. I'll love you more than I can say. Oh, don't you know I need you so? Oh, tell me please, I got to know. Do you mean to make me cry? Am I just another guy? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah.
Meet Gerard Leo Anthony, a 56-year-old man from Bapusapalya in Horamavu, who is a postman by day and a musician by night. During the day, he delivers letters and parcels, and as the sun sets, he is a guitarist.
Hi, I'm Gerard Leo Anthony. I'm a postman. I work at HL Second Stage Post Office, Indiranagar, Bangalore. I started my job from the year 1993. I've been working, I've been distributing letters, and I'm meeting a lot of people. And that's my job. Basically, I was born in Bangalore, and I studied in the Cathedral High School, and then I'm a musician also. So due to my music, I remained as a postman. Otherwise, today I should have been an inspector. So that's about it. I work as a postman. I enjoy my job. I could have got promotions actually. 2 to 3 promotions and I can become a public relation inspector. So due to my music and the time which I couldn't spend on studying, so that's why I am the same, and I enjoy myself. The reason I didn't opt for the inspector's post was, first of all, I have to waste time on studying, and I cannot concentrate at all on music, so that was a chance for me not to do the examinations, not to take up the exams. So I remained as a postman. And musically, I'm doing good. I leave my house around about 7:30 in the morning. I reach my office, say, around 8 o'clock. And from there, we sort our letters and take our money orders and parcels. Sometimes the parcels are very big. We have to, we were riding cycles in the early days. Right now, because I'm also growing old, so I'm using my bike, and so it's little easier for me to reach my destination at the proper times. I cycled for nearly around 10 years. More than 10 years cycling, and then it got tiring, weather and all the traffic, it became more and more congested. So I opted for a bike. Yeah, then once I reached the office, we have this thing called sorting. Early in the morning, a lot of letters, parcels and mail, we separate everything, we segregate, and the sorting is done, and we take our share of letters. I am allotted to one certain place, certain area. So it includes the slum as well as the official layouts, and also the middle class families. My job gets over around about 3:34. Then I rush home, have a shower, and if there is nothing, I just relax for an hour or so, and then we meet up for practices. Basically, I have an English band, so for practice, if at all we have shows, I ask some kind of permission around 3 o'clock or something, and then I come home, relax myself, and we straight away head to the shows. And 12:30 night it becomes, even 1 o'clock. So after that, it's like get up early in the morning, again the same routine starts for me. We are a retro rock and roll band. We play music from the 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s. And also the latest if they ask for any requests, If we know the song, or we practice it and we get ready and we do it. We play a lot of weddings also, we perform. Plus my genre is English. I sing some Spanish, Goan medleys, sometimes Tamil, a little bit of Hindi, a little bit of Kannada, but we have singers. But I sing English and the foreign languages, whatever requests we have,
So how is the response from your office when you post up? Because we call postmaster.
Yeah.
The one who's head, right?
Yeah, he's the head. He or she, yes.
Yeah, she. So how is the response? How supporting have they been?
They have been very supporting of late, because there was a small article about me in the Times, and so our Chief Postmaster General, she retired just last month. So she saw and she said, for the new year we want this guy. So from the office, I got a call saying that you are supposed to come with your guitar on the 1st of January. So I happened to go there. They told me a time, 4 o'clock you have to be there. I was 4 o'clock, and they gave me a small stage. And that stage was the most, I was very nervous on that particular stage especially, because to go into the CPMG office is a big thing. We are not allowed actually, So I had this opportunity, and they were kind enough to, welcome me there.
When there was a lockdown, were you also shut, or were you working?
During the COVID lockdown, we were working. We were also, but we were not recognized as COVID warriors. We had to go into the slums. I'm talking about all the postmen. You need to take their, thumb impression. They cannot, they're bedridden, some of them. Very bad, pathetic state. We have to go inside because we are assigned for that job, So we go into their homes. We impress, give them the pension, and it was a very hard time for all of us actually.